back to Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. So guess what? We are starting off the holiday season with a salad. Yeah, sorry, but it's awesome. So let's get started. So first we're going to start with the dressing, and then we're going to move on to the actual salad portion. So first, I've got the olive oil, the honey, the lime juice, and the salt. So I'm just going to combine them all together. First, the lime juice in with the honey. Alright, so now that we've added the lime to the honey, I'm going to take the olive oil, add that in, as well as the salt. Stir that up just a little bit. And then I'm going to set this aside, and let's move on to the next part. So this salad is super easy to put together, as you've seen with already the salad dressing. We are going to do first, of course, the spinach. Add that to the bowl. That's about 2 cups. Add the peaches, sliced pieces, and the pomegranate. So I'm going to take a fork and mix that all up, just really lightly. Now I'm going to add in the juice. That's it. I hope you give this a try. But before you do, please don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't already. I mean, it's free. Come on. And don't forget to get a fork when you eat. As well as, don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'm going to go finish this. I will see you next time. You go make yours. And I'll see you right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.